Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell crypto and withdraw to bank account on Kraken. So here's a easy workaround and easy step-by-step guide on how to easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open or log in into your Kraken account on the web or the mobile app. Then go to the trade tab and select sales and choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Then enter the amount you wish to sell and select your fiat currency, which could be your USD, your Euro, or your GBP. Then review the other details and tap sell to complete the trade. So once you have fiat in your Kraken account, go to the funding tab and tap withdraw and select your fiat currency. Choose your linked bank account or add a new one. So enter the withdrawal amount and confirm and wait for the withdrawal to be processed. Timing depends on your bank and the location. And that's how you can easily sell crypto and withdraw to your bank account on Kraken. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If it did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.